If you've ever wanted Microsoft Edge to save your security codes for faster checkout and easier form filling, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable the Save Security Codes option in Edge in just a few quick steps. This is a simple setting, but it can save time when you're entering payment details online. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. From there, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage all of Edge's privacy, autofill, and password options. On the left-hand side, find and click Passwords and Autofill. This section is where Edge stores and manages information like passwords, addresses, and payment details. Next, click on Payment Methods. This will open the payment settings for Edge, where you can control how your browser handles saved cards and checkout information. Now look for the option that says Save Security Codes. You should see a toggle next to it. Turn that toggle on to enable the feature. Once it's turned on, Microsoft Edge will be able to save security codes when you choose to do so, making future online payments a little faster and more convenient. If you don't see the option right away, make sure your Edge browser is updated to the latest version, since menu options can change depending on the version you're using. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Save Security Codes in Microsoft Edge. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference if you shop online often or want a smoother checkout experience. If this video helped, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple browser tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.